Hi friends, this is Rajshekhar. Now I am going to explain key terms. Key terms in the reflection of light at curved surfaces. These are the key terms in this lesson. Okay, first one is pole. First one is pole. What is pole? This is the concave mirror. Concave mirror. The midpoint of the mirror is called pole. This is denoted by capital P. The midpoint of the mirror is called pole. This pole is denoted by capital P. Now the second one is principal axis. Principal axis. Second one, principal axis. The horizontal line which passes through the pole and center of curvature. The horizontal line which passes through the pole and center of curvature is called principal axis. Now, third one is center of curvature. This is the concave mirror. Concave mirror. If we draw the normal line from the curve, this normal line intersects the principal axis at one point. This point is called center of curvature. Okay? If we draw the normal line from the curve, this normal line intersects the principal axis at one point. This point is called center of curvature. Okay? Now the fourth point. Fourth point is radius of curvature. Fourth point is radius of curvature. This is the concave mirror. This is pole. What is this? Principal axis. This is the center of curvature. Now, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature means the distance between the pole and center of curvature. The distance between the pole and center of curvature is called radius of curvature. This radius of curvature is denoted by capital R. Okay? Now, fifth point. Fifth term is focal point. Focal point. Observe here, these are the parallel rays. These parallel rays incident on the concave mirror. After reflection, the reflected rays intersect at one point on the principal axis. These reflected rays meet at one point on the principal axis. This point is called focal point. Okay, this is called focal point. This focal point is denoted by capital F. This focal point is called denoted by capital F. Okay now. Now sixth point, focal length. Focal length. Focal length means the distance between the pole and focal point. The distance between the pole and focal point. The distance between the pole and focal point is called focal length. Okay? This is the concave mirror. Now, the relation between the focal length and radius of curvature or and small f. the relation between the radius of curvature and focal length. R equal to 2f. R equal to 2f. See here, this is the pole, this is the center of curvature, and this is the focal point. The distance between the pole and focal point is called small f, that is focal length. Already we know that. And the distance between the focal point and center of curvature is also equals to focal length. So this total length is equals to capital R actually, that is radius of curvature. So R equal to f plus f.